Welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, VIVO V17 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this Vivo smartphone. So basically you can do it in the several ways. Of course, the first way to take a screenshot is to press and hold together power and volume down buttons. Press and hold for about 2 seconds. And the second way, of course, you can try to take a screenshot using the 3 fingers down guessed, but on the Vivo V17 Pro device you need to swipe from down to up, but not from up to down. And great. And of course, if you wanna take a long screenshot, so take a screenshot in one of these ways I'll show you, and click long screenshot. Scroll down. For example, I want to take a screenshot for the battery. Click save, and now as you can see I have the screenshot from the upper part to battery item. And you can share it, edit or delete. Or of course exit to have it only in gallery. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.